Hi, I'm Chris with Tractor Supply. I'd like to talk to you today about the Mossy Oak 44 gun safe found exclusively at Tractor Supply. It's 11 gauge solid steel construction, has a fire rating of 90 minutes at 1400 degrees. It also features a heat and water seal that guards against smoke and water damage. It also has a UL listed lock and an oversized 5-spoke handle. One of the biggest problems today with conventional safes is that what you need is usually in the back. Well, we've solved that with our innovative slide-out system that gives you quick and easy access to all your weapons. The center section has an open design to allow for scopes and other optics. Up top, we have storage and power. 2 USB ports and 2 standard outlets for powering things like dehumidifiers and battery chargers. LED lighting is also included on both walls and the ceiling, and it is motion activated. Also, there's additional storage along the back wall for additional weapons or other hardware. Moving on to the door. The door has 14 solid steel 1.5-inch deadbolts for maximum security. Top rack here is for gun cleaning supplies, safety glasses, and other items. There's also 2 quick access ports for long weapons for home defense. In the center, there are 12 pouches for handgun storage, and along the bottom, another pouch for paperwork and other keepsakes.